a full face of brand new makeup and I'm so excited. I almost just broke this palette. We are just gonna go straight into it. The first new product I got was from Rare Beauty. So this is the Brow Harmony Flexible Lifting Gel. I've heard so many people love this and I've never tried it. This is what it looks like. Okay, I already did my brows, so let's just go over with this gel. Ooh. Okay, I really like the applicator. So far, so good. Let's do the other eyebrow. Ooh, okay. I really like it and it kind of has like a really good smell to it. Let's see how the eyebrows hold up at the end when we're finished. Let's move on to eyeshadow. I'm so excited. I've been wanting this palette for the longest time and I finally got my hands on it. This is the Makeup by Maro, the Neutrals palette. I kind of just want to go for like a simple brown eyeshadow today. This is like your perfect everyday colors. Okay, I think I want to go in with the second to lightest shade, which is this color right here, and I'm just gonna put that as my transition shade, kind of putting it everywhere. I'm so obsessed with this palette. This might just become my everyday palette. It is so beautiful. Okay, this is what I currently have for eyeshadow. I think I just want to leave it at this, something very simple. I just mixed a couple of browns and put the lightest shade here in the inner corner. I kind of want to do a wing with some lashes, so let's do that. Okay, that Makeup by Maro palette might become my new favorite palette. The colors were so easy to blend and so pretty. So I did add liner and lashes. These lashes are from Shein if you're wondering. The next new product we have is this NARS foundation. I know this isn't new, but this is new to me. I've never tried this foundation. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation and I got it in the shade Light 4.5. I'm really excited to try this foundation because I've heard so many great things about it and everyone loves NARS foundations. The bottle is stunning. I love the glass as well. I think I might add double clips for this part because somehow I always get foundation in my hair and it's so annoying. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think I want to put some on my hand and then paint it on my face, so let's just do that. Okay, right off the bat, this foundation is so full coverage. I love painting it on like this. I feel like you get the most coverage when you put your foundation on like this. Okay, I'm gonna spray a little bit of this e.l.f. This is a Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray before we blend. Okay, let's blend that all together. Okay, that blends it out so pretty. Okay, this might be my favorite foundation. It is so pretty. Next product we have is this Rare Beauty. This is the Liquid Contours. They just came out with this and I love the bronzer stick, so I'm so excited to try this. I got it in the shade Solace. I think that's how you say it. I just know this is gonna be super creamy. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna put one dot. Some here, maybe another one. Okay, I'm gonna add more of this spray. Okay, I think I want to blend this with the brush. Whoa, this is super pigmented. I am happy I only put one dot. Oh my gosh, do you guys see this? It's super easy to blend. I feel like I did nothing and it's already blended out. Okay, yeah, I am obsessed with this. The color I picked out is perfect too. It's like a cool toned brown. Okay, I love that contour. I knew it was gonna be good anyways. Okay, so I didn't really pick out a new liquid blush, so I'm just gonna use my e.l.f. one. This is like a cool toned pink color. It's in the shade Bold Face Lilac. We're also gonna blend that with a brush. It's just so pretty. It's like a cool toned pink color. I love it. Oh, I think I might have put too much again. These makeup products are so pigmented. which is a good thing though, because like I hate when a makeup product doesn't have any pigment to it. Okay, I look psycho, but we're just gonna cover that with concealer. So I did pick up a new concealer. This is the Hourglass concealer. I've heard like mixed reviews about this, so that's why I picked up the tiny version, and if I really like it, I'm gonna buy the big version. I got it in the shade Cream. Let's see what the hype is about. Okay, right off the bat, it's super creamy. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, this is definitely super creamy. I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit while I prepare my powder. Okay, let's blend this out with the beauty blender. Let me get a mirror. Okay, I think I can tell I'm gonna love this concealer. Wow, that is like the creamiest concealer ever. I think it might be my new favorite. Okay, I just set my under eyes with the Huda Beauty powder, the translucent shade. And now I did grab a new pressed powder. So this is the Costa's Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder. I got it in the shade Airy. Let's see what this is about. By the way, that concealer is a 10 out of 10. My eyes did not crease so far. I'm gonna put this powder all over my face. I'm gonna go ahead and set with this. Okay, this powder literally gave me like a filter on my face. I love this powder. Let's go ahead and do the forehead. The next product I got to try was this Hoola bronzer. Believe it or not, I've never tried this before. I also got the mini version. Look how tiny and cute it is. Ooh, okay. I see what the hype is about. This is so good. I love the shade as well. Okay, I'm gonna use it to contour my nose as well. I think I might order the big one of this along with a concealer. I'm just doing some nose contour. I've been waiting to try this product this whole time. I got the YSL blush in the shade 93 Restless Rosé. This is like the prettiest summer spring shade. Wait till you guys see this. Oh my gosh. This is the prettiest blush I've ever owned. Look at the color. It has like some shimmer to it. Okay, let's just go in right into it. It's so pretty. I don't even want to use it. I just want to like have it for decor. The color, oh my gosh, this might become my new favorite blush. Are you guys seeing the color of this? This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And yes, I go ham with the blush. Thank you very much. I think I need all the shades after this. This is so pretty. 10 out of 10. More like 100 out of 10 for this. Okay, I am baking my face with this One Size Pink powder. Just gonna do a quick little bake. You guys, this blush, I just can't get over the blush. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna do a little black liner on our waterline. Okay, I'm also gonna go back in with the Makeup by Mario palette and just take like a little light brown shade and put it underneath my eye. I picked up a new lip liner. This is the Makeup Forever lip liner in the shade 600 Anywhere Caffeine. When I saw the shade, I knew I would love it. So let's go ahead. You guys, this is the creamiest lip liner I probably own. I need to get all the shades now. This is so creamy. For lips, I did pick up Lawless. I've been dying to try this brand. So I picked up a lipstick in the shade Platinum and a gloss in the shade Lavender Sorbet. So let's give them a try. I love the packaging. It's the prettiest pinky color. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I think I just found my new lip combo. I'm obsessed with all these products. How pretty. This is like the perfect nude lip combo. I don't even want to put on the gloss, but let's go ahead and put on the gloss. This is the gloss. I've heard so many good things about this as well. Did you guys see how juicy that was? And look at the applicator. It looks like it just hugs your lips. Oh my gosh. Okay, 10 out of 10 for this gloss. I love it so much, and the applicator was so different and unique. It was so comfortable on the lips. It looks like it just hugged my lips. Okay, let's lock it in with this Milani spray. I am like so obsessed with this glam. Let's take down the hair to see the final finished look. I'm so excited. Let's see. My hair is still a little bit wet. Let me fix it up and I'll be right back. Okay, this is the final look. My hair is wet. I think I just want to let it air dry. I am absolutely obsessed with all the new makeup products. I rate them all a 10 out of 10. I'm not even kidding. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you girlies are subscribed.